Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss how you can use advanced tabs in your Divi WordPress website. And here you can see this is my demo website. Let me log in. Just add /wp-admin. Then in the dashboard, let's go in the plugin sections and upload the plugin file. So you can get this plugin from Divi official website elegantthemes.com. Then let's upload the plugin file. And make sure that plugin file is in zip format. Otherwise you can get error while plugin installation. And if you want to get any type of service, for example if you want to build online store and you need marketing services, just you can contact me at WhatsApp. Okay guys, here you can see plugin is installed. Just activate, then simply just activate light version of this plugin. Now let's go back to the pages and here just enable Divi Fuel Builder and view this page on the front side. Now you can see Divi Builder is loading. Okay, now scroll down and let's add a new section. Now here you can see blue icon. Just click here to add a new regular section. So let me add one column row and after that search for advanced tabs. Here you can see this is the module that we are going to use. Then add the first tab item. You can give title, for example web design, and here you can also add subtitle. Then tab icon and image. You can enable tab image. Here you can see whatever image you want to use, just you can add here. Okay, after that if you want to use icon, now scroll down, then you can enable the icon and select any of the icon and you can search for example I want to add home. Then you can also disable from here. Let's close and go to next tab, that is content. Here you can see content type, by default this content. You can also add some content from the Divi library, and after that here we can add our own title, and after that you can add your own description. Then you can also include media, and then scroll down, you can also add button here, for example get service. Then add any page link here. Let me add hash. Then here you can see button is showing. After that let's go to design tab and you can also duplicate. Here you can see these tabs are showing. Now let's go to design tab and then here you can see tabs option. Now let's add a background color. Then for the active background, then scroll down, title color. So that's working fine. Scroll down, here you can see typography options that you can change font style, font weight. Then you can also add the border and you can also add some spacing and animations. And you can also add different content for each tab. Just you can go here settings and now scroll down content options. Then here you can replace with your own content. After that, just click on three dots and save it.